Hey everybody, Jake and Brenda here, Our Sweet Adventures.
Hello.
Today we're going to be making
Tater Tot Casserole, not your normal Tater Tot Casserole. So
Yeah.
we're going to go ahead and join us and we'll show you what we're going to make.
All right.
All right, let's begin. Well, we started the hamburger. It's about 2 pounds in there. And we got to brown that all up and then drain the grease from it. And then the ingredients that we'll put in there, excuse me. As you can see, Mexican style blend shredded cheese, a cup of onion, a cup of dill pickles chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And this lettuce won't go in the pan, it's just gonna go on top. And then these 2 things, this is what kind of Thousand Island dressing, and these 2 things will actually go on top after it's baked. But then this does go, which is the Thousand Island, 1 1/3 cups of that. Of course, you've got your tater tots and salt and pepper. So we're gonna go ahead, finish frying up this hamburger, and then we'll come back and put it together. All right, we got it, the grease all off of there. So now we're gonna put our our mayo, quarter cup. Dukes, I forgot to mention. It was in here, but forgot to mention that. Didn't have it out.
That's just 1 cup or what?
No, it's a quarter cup.
Quarter cup, okay.
And then the Thousand Island. It's kind of backwards, isn't it? Mm-hmm. But it works. All right. There was something I was thinking about. You know, regular tater tot. My mom used to make it all the time, and
So did mine.
you know, I never had her tater tot casserole. Probably when you're little, smaller, you know, kid. Yeah, that's when mine was anyway.
That's when people used to cook.
Well, that's true. And then garlic powder and onion powder we'll throw in there. A cup of
Onions.
yeah. Same with the dill pickle. And this is what's interesting to me. Well, 2 things. The Thousand Island and the dill pickle. So I'm curious as to how that's going to taste. All right. And if you want to put other seasonings, you can. This is just what we're doing today. Some pepper, Himalayan pink salt. Okay, so we're gonna stir this together and get it incorporated real good. Then we're gonna put it into our 9 by 18 pan. Oh, well, I know what the other thing was. I did put a tablespoon of butter in with the hamburger when I cooked it. Butter always makes...
You got butter and everything.
We're butter people, cheese people, salt people, but it's really, it just makes it taste better. Just want to get this in there like that, kind of. So at first I thought, well, I'm going to put the onions right in with, you know, with the hamburger, and I thought, well, no, they're going to cook. Because
It'll be in the oven. So.
Yeah, on a 400-degree temp for 40 minutes. So I think we're ready to go ahead and put it in the pan. And we're going to bring the pan over here. I'm just going to turn off the heat here. I'm just going to dump it in there. Very carefully.
Yes, very carefully.
Because I burn myself all the time. But, and the pan is greased
Yeah.
Want to make sure that that's in there. Is it all out?
Yeah.
I'll get that.
Scrape that out.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us know if how. See, I just did it. So let us know what your favorite casserole per se. That's what this kind of is. Or not kind of, I guess it is. Different people say different things, but
It's gonna be that time of year pretty soon. Casseroles, crock pot stuff, you know, just
yeah, we'll be doing some of those
yeah.
videos. But just need to spread this out in the pan here. And then I'm going to
Looks
put the cheese
looks
on
good already.
top. Huh?
looks good already.
I know. I don't know. I think it's gonna be enough cheese.
A lot of cheese.
Yeah, that was 2 cups. Didn't look like it. Doesn't look like it to me, but it is. So, all right. Now we're going to put the tater tots on top. Oh. All right, let's see what we got here. 'Cause you don't want them on top of each other. They don't get cooked very well. All right.
Got grandkids coming over this afternoon, so they'll be
Yeah.
testing it out too.
Probably by the time this
When
is
it's
done,
yeah.
they'll be here, so you can make these fit in there, I believe. Every nook and cranny, get a little tater tot in there.
Yeah.
And you know, you could just make the bottom without the tater tots as well. So,
Yeah.
all right, we're gonna put it in the oven and for 40 minutes, like I said, at 400 degrees, and then we'll do the taste test.
All right.
Oh, yummy! Here we go, hot out of the oven. So now it is to put some lettuce on here. Oh, that really makes it kind of pretty, doesn't it? All right, and then
Now,
the Thousand Island. And you could put more on here too, whatever, you know,
good.
which it doesn't. All right, so now we are ready for the taste test.
Okay, it is done, and it looks pretty good here.
Yes.
Check it out.
Took a little spoonful
Yeah,
on
we
each
got
corner for our taste test.
So let's try it.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Remember to blow because it could
Yeah,
be
it could be hot. All right.
It is hot.
Good. Mm-hmm. Good and hot. Oh.
That too.
Yeah.
Well,
Very good.
that Thousand Island dressing really gives it that flavor. The
Yeah.
good. Very good.
Well, we always rate from 1 to 5. I'm gonna go. I did a 4.5 last time, I think. I'm gonna do that again. It's pretty good.
All right. Me too.
All right. And the grandkids gonna be here pretty soon. They'll put the super test to it, so that's good.
Yeah, and they love Tater Tot Casserole, but
Yeah.
they've never had the one that we just put
Yeah.
together ourselves here, so
So it should be
it'll
interesting.
be interesting.
Yes. And we did want to tell you too,
Oh,
we're
yes.
going to start some short video clips, animated video clips. We're going to call it Sweet Shorts. kind of in between our main videos, and just for fun, just animated things. So check those out if you would. They're going to be in between. We'll probably start those just short next week, I guess.
Yes.
So, all right.
Yeah, and let us know you're watching from. Leave it in the comments.
Yep.
And we'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and subscribe. It really helps, and
You bet.
we appreciate you.
Yes, we do.
Thanks so much.
All right. Next time. Bye.
Bye.